Find the first 5 common multiples of 2, 3, and 6. To do this, we'll list out the multiples of 2, 3, and 6 to the point where we can find at least 5 common multiples. Now remember that these multiples are numbers that go on forever. So we don't have to write everything, but we write up to the point where we can find 5 common multiples. So, solution. Let's start by writing their first 10 multiples. So for 2, the first 10 multiples of 2 would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And then for 3, we have 3, 6, 9, 12. Then 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. And then for 6, we have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, and 60. Now, let's see how many common multiples we've gotten so far. Common multiples. Now, remember that this is just the first 10 multiples of 2, 3, and 6. Now, let's see how many they have in common. We can see the number 6. Then, we can also see the number 12. The number 18 also appear. So far we have only found 3. So now let's add 5 more multiples to this set. That is 5 more multiples to 2. And then we'll have 22, 24, 26, 28, and 30. And then to 3 we'll have 33, 36, 39, 42, and 45. And then to 6 we would have 66, 72, 78, 84, and then 90. Now let's see if we can find any again in common. So we stopped at 18. Now when we progress further, we would find 24. And then after 24, we can also see 30. So there, the first 5 common multiples of 2, 3, and 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. Thank you.